How to pair a phone to a Halo Connect. So first of all, download the Starline key app. Once you've got that downloaded, hop in the car, ignition on, disarm it using your code, prove that it's you. Now press one of the buttons 7 times, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Ignition off, back on, we'll get 7 bleeps. Now we can hop back into the app. This pops up, allow all the time, start search, it will come up in this list. The password for it is 0 6 times, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We'll tap pair. Bleep from within the vehicle, it says no connection, that's fine. Tap OK, turn the ignition off. If you have a second phone, you can pair that up before turning the ignition off using the same process. When you turn it off, you get a number of beeps corresponding to the amount of phones. So in this case, we'll get 1. There we go. So now if we watch the phone, when I turn the ignition on, give it a second, it'll update. Now the phone's connected. That's the process done. Thanks for watching. We're Immobiliser Fit.